Yes, a stupid question. Yes, no, it's a stupid question. You always have to answer. Master is you, yourself, understand? Yes. So you come and see me as a good friend. Yeah? As a very, very good friend, unconditional friend. Right? But the master is you, yourself. You must find master, your own master, okay? Right? No other things is important. Whether my bed is made of gold or made of jade or made of mud, no concern of you. Where I live, what I do, of no concern to you, okay? Because you're the master, it's important. You must find it, okay? You must find it as quickly as possible. It's good for you, good for your family, good for humankind. As long as you don't find it, you remain a very selfish, stupid, and demanding person. For anything, any scrapbooking, paper, any piece of toilet paper, tissue, anything. Don't be like that, okay? Don't look down upon yourself. Don't be interested in anybody, okay? Of course you're interested in what I do because you think I'm enlightened. That's fine. That's okay. Yeah, but not interested in my shoes and my umbrella. That's no help to you, all right? Should be interested only in my teaching. And that's only for the beginning, okay? Whatever I tell you, you do this to help you in progress quickly. Later you don't rely on this anymore. You have to rely on your master, your wisdom, and develop. Be independent, strong, yeah, and wise. And that's the only thing that's good for you. Right? Nothing else is good. Don't expect me to give you anything and then you eat it and you become Miss Universe or things like that. You know what I mean? Anything is not lasting. Even if you come here and you see me, sometimes, but then you have to go to see. So the only lasting thing is inside, Besides, you know it, You know, You have the master inside, Just like me, So you have to find it. That's all okay, So go smiling and then come back again all the time if you have time. You miss nothing, you lose nothing. Okay? You may gain something. You may not gain anything, but it is because of your awareness. If you're aware that you gain something, then you know. If you're not aware, then whether you gain or lose makes no difference to you. You understand what I mean? All right, that's it, kids. Go home. Welcome. Hello. Goodbye. Yes. Yeah. I don't mean to sound very unsympathetic, to your feelings. But everybody has to go through this, yeah? If you can stay, of course you stay. But if you cannot, then you go. Even I cannot stay here very long. I'm also a guest in this country. Yeah, it just happened that I stay here longer, and so I know many more people, so, you know what I mean? So I can stay a little longer. And they requested me. There's more people here, so I have to have more responsibilities here. That's all, Otherwise, if I know I stay anywhere else, I think I can let you come. But at the moment, it's not possible. All right? At the moment, I am here, right? So later, if I know I have somewhere else better, okay, you may be welcome to stay longer. Or perhaps I stay here longer this time. Because I'm not sure. I don't want you to buy an airplane ticket and come here and then you don't see me. See me? I'm only sure this period. But after this period, perhaps I stay longer. But it's not, there is no certain deadline. You know what I mean? So if you want to come back, you take your risk, or you ask the ashram whether the master is still here. You know what I mean? Yeah. If not, you postpone your airplane ticket and come back later. Yeah, there's open ticket. You can go anytime, no? Is that not so? Yeah, and visa can be used later, no? Yes. Okay, so it's something like that, okay? It's life. C'est la vie. All right, so you go before it's too late, And the other people are welcome, all right? Some people. Don't go. say somebody else is so stylish. I can't bear it. So today I have to make myself beautiful. Just give me up. What is that? I think I said that. Never mind. I'm just joking. Do you think that I care so much? I'm more stylish than anybody. You know already, yeah? I have proved it, huh? Yes. Enjoy your food, huh? Yeah. Did you have a good time? Yeah. What do you have today?
I don't know.
It's nice, huh? Is it good? What is it? What is that? Yeah. Only milk.
It's a recipe, please.
Indian
chai.
Oh, good for you. Yeah. For change.
We got that too, this size. Because more and more people will come and go, oh, good.
I'm so beautiful. You eat, huh? Yeah. I don't want to see anymore. Yeah. You eat, okay? I don't eat meat. You eat too much. I don't do that my whole life. I only can show when I'm angry. When I laugh very soft. Can you make the highest volume? Okay. You know what? What did I want to say? Oh, you read books too much. Like you read the Bible, you know what? Eat me, drink me. So every day you wait here for your supper, your dinner. Yeah? The food is on the table, okay? If you're hungry, you eat food. Huh? Noodles, Chinese noodles. Yeah. What Jesus said, don't bother about it. Because if it's him who said it, not me, okay? I don't tell you, eat me, drink me. I don't have too much. I don't have too much to offer anyhow, right? One swallow, no more. So is the food okay for you, huh? Really? And you're not bored? No. Somebody says it's too noisy here. Do you really feel disturbed? No. Huh? No, huh? Because I was worried that if we don't have any noise to offer you, you might miss, California, New York tramway or anything like airport, noise and things like that. Because you brought the noise here, so I thought maybe, in transit, we have a little noise in between to ease you into tranquility. But if it's really too noisy for some of you, you may, find some other corner. But I tell you what, even if I take you higher to the mountain, it's noisier there. It's more noisy in my place than in your place. Why? Because the noise travels up. Yeah. The noise, the smell, the karma. It travels upward. So anyhow, here is the coolest place. Very cool, yes. Because we have a lot of trees here and no naked soil. So it doesn't reflect the sun that much. When the sun shines down, it's filtered through the leaves. And when the wind blows through, it's also filtered through the leaves. Therefore, a lot of fresh air. And also there is a stream, so the water always runs around, and the vibration also makes you feel cooler. At least the mind makes you think it's cooler here because there's water. It works in many ways. That's why I keep you here. But if you complain, I think of other things. Like I can bring you to the bamboo grove. So you sit there with the mosquitoes and yeah, with the bamboo falling on your head and things like that. You like that? No. I think it's prettier here. The bamboo grove is very groovy, but it's also not very flat, not very even. And when you walk, you might stumble into samadhi or something, make trouble for yourself. Yeah, besides, it's prettier here. It's prettier here because all kinds of variety of trees, yeah, and also different levels. You can have flat and you can have, a little bit higher level, You can sit next to the river if you want to. You don't have to sit here underneath your Bodhi tree, yeah? But if you like it, it's fine with me. Here, everywhere you can sit from the big hall to the 3 or 4 levels of the river side. What? Higher world, yeah. And the top level of consciousness is there. They're also very noisy because they are beautifying the higher level. So only on the lower level, there's nothing to do at the moment. All right? Number 4? Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4? Or the 5th is where the heavenly clothes. So it's just perfect. You see, that is God's arrangement. How will we say that? So I think you're okay here, huh? Well, don't complain, otherwise I will take you to the Himalaya and throw you there for good. There is quiet. In winter only. I tell you what, in winter only. In summer, millions of people go there on food, day and night, all 24 hours. And then you have very beautiful noises in strange language, all kinds of gongs, shells, conch, and all kinds of things. They blow anything every day. Yeah, and they chat all night, all day, and they chant mantra, all kind of mantra, and then you cannot make out, where you want to go. Because somebody goes to Shiva, and the other one goes to Vishnu, and the other one goes to Brahma, and then you get lost. So don't have the illusion that the Himalaya is very quiet. I tell you, the most noisy place is at Himalaya. There are some quiet places too, but how you get there? You know what I mean? Without a guide. Yes. You can have a guide, an Indian guide, but then you must know what kind of guide he is. Otherwise, he takes you to the Shiva temple. Yeah, fine. He knows everywhere. Shiva temple, Maya temple, all kinds of things. And then those places are very, very noisy. Every day they put very loud. I don't know how they have loudspeaker in the Himalaya, but they do. Yes, very, very loud. Yeah, they have electricity there. Can you imagine? In some of the places, very famous temples. And then they have loudspeaker, and then they have all kinds of things.
Supreme.